Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Real Lovely. And as you can see from the thumbnail, I'm going to be attempting to make a balloon garland using the Dollar Tree balloons. I never actually used Dollar Tree balloons to decorate before, so I'm really excited to see the quality of the balloons. So I'm here. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel right now. Give this video a thumbs up before I'm even finished. Just go ahead and give it a thumbs up because I'm sure you're gonna like it. Comment down below what else you'd like to see on my channel and what you think about this video. So yeah, let's go and get these balloons. Hopefully they have some really nice colors, and if they don't, then I'm gonna just have to scrap this whole thing. But I'm gonna try to work with it, and I'm gonna also try to pick up some flowers to try to add to it, the garland, and make it pretty, you know, kind of fancy or whatever. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's go. I should probably do an Easter video, but I'll get the flowers after I pick up all the balloons. Oh, there they go. Not a lot of options to choose from. Color ones, I don't know. I feel like I should stick to like coordinate some colors, you know? So I saw these and I feel like I want to use them. They only have like 4 to 5 packs, or maybe 6, so I'm just gonna take all of it, literally. I'm gonna see if they have any more. I'm gonna just take all of those. So I got like 7 packs. I don't know how many I need. Maybe I'll return the ones that I don't use, but I should grab at least 10 packs because only 25 come in each. So I'm not sure. Hey guys, so I'm back home and I picked up some flowers along with the balloons that I got, and I got this color combination from the Dollar Tree. It's like light colors. Let me take them out. It's like light blue, light green, white, purple, yellow, all that good stuff. So I didn't like the other combination that they had there. It's like, let me see, purple, green, blue, pink, yellow, all that good stuff. And I got these flowers because, you know, pink and purple is a part of the combination, and I felt like it'll kind of give me the look that I'm going for. Another thing, I realized that the Dollar Tree don't have 5-inch balloons, so I got all the packs that I saw. They only had like 8 packs, so I got all the packs. And that's like 225 balloons because each pack has 25 balloons in it, and I got like 8 packs, so it's like 225. I'm not really good with math, but I do think it's 225. I also picked up some strings because if I'm doing a Dollar Tree review, I might as well use everything Dollar Tree, right? So I picked up some strings to help make the garland. Only thing that I'm using today that's not from the Dollar Tree is this backdrop and my glue dots that I'm going to be using later on in the video. And FYI, this is not a balloon garland tutorial. If you want to learn how to do a balloon garland, there's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to make a balloon garland. I don't feel like I need to make another tutorial on how to do a balloon garland because there's like plenty videos of that. So this is just a review of the Dollar Tree balloons. And yeah, if you do want to learn how to do a balloon garland, you can ask me and I can send you some links for somebody else's channel. But I don't feel like I should make a tutorial on how to do a balloon garland because there's like a million of those videos. But this is just a review of the Dollar Tree balloons. Well, if you ever need any balloon decoration, like a balloon garland for your event, and you don't have the money to pay the decorator to come to your event and do it, then this is where this video comes in, to show you how, or give you a different alternative on how to get a balloon garland for your event for under $30, because this was literally like $26.50, nothing more, nothing less. So for this balloon garland specifically, I feel like I want to color coordinate. So I'm gonna be matching all the colors together because that's kind of the look that I'm going for. And as I said before, the Dollar Tree does not have any 5-inch balloons. At least the one that I went to, they didn't have any 5-inch balloons. So I'm gonna have to use these 9-inch balloons because they didn't even have any 12-inch. They had only 9-inch balloons. I'm gonna have to use these 9-inch balloons to do everything. I gotta use it to make the garland, plus use them as fill-in. If you watch any of my videos, you know that I use 5-inch balloons to do all my fill-ins. So hopefully I do have enough balloons, and hopefully none of these balloons pop on me, so I won't waste any. Okay guys, so I'm finished blowing up all the balloons that I'm using on my garland. I mean, not quite, because I also need to blow some smaller sizes for my fill-in, but for the most part I'm finished blowing up all these balloons that I'm going to be using for the base of my garland. And now I'm going to be using my string that I also got from the Dollar Tree to start putting my garland together and put it on my backdrop. So yeah, as I said, I'm color coordinating, so I'm gonna be doing pink and then going from there. I'm not using all the colors in the pack because there's also a brown color that I'm not really feeling. It's not giving what it's supposed to give, so I'm just gonna leave it out for now. If I feel like it will look okay on my garland when I'm finished putting it together, then I'll add it, but for now I'm just gonna leave out the brown. So yeah. Guys, this is where I'm at so far. First of all, these balloons are so stiff, like it's crazy. They're really smaller than I thought it would be, even though it said 9-inch, and 9 inches aren't really big, but they're like so stiff, so you have to really be careful how much you blow them. When I was blowing all the balloons, only one popped, which is not a bad thing, but they're so stiff. But even the string, it's like crazy. I'm not really feeling it, but the balloons so far, they're really stiff. Not how I like my balloons at all, but it's coming along pretty nicely, I guess. So let's just see how much more balloon I would need after this. So you guys, this is what I have so far. I haven't tied it onto my backdrop as yet, but I just put it up there. As you can see, it's not tied on, but I feel like it's enough balloons. I don't have to add the next color. So now what I'm gonna do is just tie it onto my backdrop using the same string that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then using the remaining balloons and start filling in all the holes and making it, you know, real fluffy and nice. filling in all my, you know, empty spaces. And now I'm about to add all these flowers to it and see how it comes out. Hopefully it makes it pop even more. So this is the final look for my Dollar Tree balloon garland. I think it looks really pretty. Actually, I only used 6 packs of the 8 balloons that I bought, and I used 15 bunches of the Dollar Tree flowers. I could have used more balloons to make it even fuller, but I felt like I could just take those back to the store and get my $2 back. But this is the result, and I feel like it looks really pretty. Only problem I had was the fact that the balloons are really stiff. They're 9 inches, so you have to really be careful how much you blow them. You cannot blow them too big because they'll definitely pop. But I feel like it's really pretty, and the flowers at the top and the bottom really like bring it off. I really love it. I like the purple flowers on the purple balloons the most. But yeah, this is the final look. If you liked this video and felt like I did a pretty good job with this Dollar Tree garland, please let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you click off. And also share it on your social media pages so other people can subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.